Today, we're taking a look at the top tips for faceless digital marketing. We're going to break down everything you need to do well in this faceless digital marketing venture you're starting. But before we begin, if you're looking for some content for your Instagram, check out my $1 Instagram post pack, available for just $1. Check out the description below for everything you need to know. Now, let's get started. Invest in learning. Let's address the elephant in the room. Buying courses just to resell the information. It's tempting, I know, but trust me, it's a short-term gain, long-term pain strategy. Digital marketing is constantly evolving. If you don't truly understand the underlying principles, you'll struggle to adapt. Instead of buying a course, invest your time in learning. There are countless free resources online, from blogs to YouTube tutorials. Understand the algorithms, the trends, and the psychology behind successful marketing. This knowledge will be your most valuable asset. Pick a profitable niche. Not every niche is created equal. Some are overcrowded, while others are ripe for the picking. You want to find a profitable niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Think about what you're passionate about. Is it wealth creation, travel, or self-development? These are all proven profitable niches. The key is to focus on one niche per account. Trying to be everything to everyone is a recipe for disaster. Branding is more than aesthetics. Your brand is your identity. It's how you show up in the world online. While aesthetics are important, they're just the tip of the iceberg. Your brand is about your personality, your tone, and how you deliver your message. It's about creating a connection with your audience. Remember, people buy from people they like, know, and trust. So be authentic, be consistent, and be yourself. Provide value. Content creation isn't just about posting for the sake of posting. You need to provide value to your audience. Ask yourself, what problem is my content solving? Or, what information is my audience eager to learn? Every reel should offer something of value. Whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration, make sure your content leaves a positive impact. Focus on quality over quantity. It might be tempting to flood your feed with reels, but quality trumps quantity every time. One high-quality reel per day is better than 5 mediocre ones. Take your time to plan, shoot, and edit your content. Your audience will appreciate the effort. Keep reels short. Attention spans are shorter than ever. You need to grab your audience's attention quickly. Aim for reels that are between 3 and 7 seconds long. This gives you enough time to deliver your message while encouraging viewers to read your caption as the reel loops. Use trending sounds. Trending sounds can be a game changer. They help your reel reach a wider audience, but don't just jump on any trending sound. Look for sounds with under 1,000 plays, but with an original video having over 1 million views. This indicates a sound with potential to go viral. Add hashtags to stories. Hashtags aren't just for reels. You can also use them on your Instagram stories to increase discoverability, but don't clutter your story with visible hashtags. Instead, hide them behind the caption text box. It's a subtle yet effective way to get your content seen. Be grateful. It's easy to get caught up in chasing the next big thing, but it's important to take a step back and appreciate where you are. Gratitude is a powerful tool for building a positive mindset. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Believe in yourself. Success in anything, including Instagram Reels, requires belief in yourself. Doubt will creep in, but you need to push through it. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. With consistent effort and learning, you can achieve your goals. Help others. One of the most rewarding aspects of building a community is helping others. Whether it's answering questions, providing support, or sharing your knowledge, paying it forward creates a ripple effect of positivity. And there you have it. All the tips you need to succeed in your faceless digital marketing journey. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.